Welcome to the VTU Research Market documentary. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down a pivotal session for the Australian market. On Friday, the 24th of April 2026, the ASX 200 faced significant headwinds. The S&P ASX 200 index closed at 8,786.5, slipping by 6.90 points. While the percentage drop was a modest 0.08%, the underlying story is far more complex. This close marks a total loss of 1.79% over the last 5 trading days. Interestingly, despite this recent volatility, the index remains virtually unchanged on a year-to-date basis, highlighting the range-bound nature of the current market. Sentiment throughout the session was heavily weighed down by external factors. We saw weaker U.S. stock futures acting as a drag, compounded by rising geopolitical tensions that dampened the global risk appetite. Uncertainty surrounding the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz remains a primary concern for energy markets and global trade. Simultaneously, reports of stalled peace talks between the U.S. and Iran have added another layer of fragility to the investment landscape. From a technical perspective, the index continues to show resilience. It is holding firmly above the key support zone near 8,383.2. This level has proven critical for maintaining the current structure. On the upside, we are looking at a near-term resistance located around 9,200.9. This is the line in the sand for bullish participants. A break above this could signal a significant shift in momentum. Our momentum indicators, specifically the 14-day RSI, currently sit at 48.23. This suggests a neutral to slightly bullish momentum, indicating that the market isn't yet oversold, but it's searching for a definitive direction. A major headwind remains: inflation. These pressures have been building steadily since the second half of 2025 and are currently tracking above the Reserve Bank of Australia's target range, keeping investors on edge. This persistent inflation has reinforced market expectations that the central bank may deliver another rate hike at its upcoming May meeting. All eyes are now on next week's March inflation data, which will be a pivotal data point for the RBA. Sector performance during the session was remarkably mixed. Despite the overall decline in the ASX 200 index, 6 out of the 11 sectors actually managed to end the day in positive territory. Let's look at the winners and losers. Materials was the session's worst performing sector, correcting by 1.01%. We also saw weakness in industrials, A-REITs, and information technology, all closing down by about 1/3%. On the brighter side, utilities led the pack with a gain of 2.17%, extending its 5-day rally to nearly 2%. Energy also performed strongly, rising 1.47% as oil prices reacted to geopolitical news. Among individual stocks, we saw standout performances from Data3 Limited and Suncorp Group. Data3 surged 5.81%, while Suncorp followed with a solid 4.47% gain. Conversely, IGO Limited suffered the largest blow, falling nearly 18%. 4D Medical also struggled, recording a 9.67% decline during the session. These sharp movements highlight the volatility within specific niches of the market. Looking ahead domestically, traders will be closely monitoring the CFTC Australian dollar speculative net positions. These reports offer crucial insights into how non-commercial or speculative traders are positioning themselves in the U.S. futures markets. If you found this market wrap useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. At V2U Research, we are dedicated to providing you with the insights you need to navigate these complex markets. For those looking to take their trading to the next level, I invite you to explore our paid plans. Get access to exclusive research, deep dive stock reports, and real-time market alerts designed for serious investors. Join V2U Research today. Thank you for watching. Share your stock watch list in the comments below, trade responsibly, manage your risks carefully, and we'll see you in the next VTU market update.
Disclaimer: the information contained in this publication is general in nature and has been prepared without taking into account your objectives, financial situation, or needs. It is provided by Titan Securities, holder of Australian Financial Services, license number 307040. It is not intended to constitute personal financial advice. Investing and trading involve risk, and past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. You should consider your own objectives, financial situation, and needs before acting on any information contained herein. You should also read our financial services guide and, where relevant, the product disclosure statement and target market determination issued by the product provider. These documents are available upon request. Titan Securities accepts no liability for any loss or damage arising from reliance on this information.